In this video, we will show you how to start billing for your clients. To enable billing for a client, let us go to Client under Masters and click on Client Enquiry. Choose the client for whom the billing has to be done. For the purposes of this demo, we select Fashion and Me. Select the checkbox Is billing required here and click on Save. The next step now is to create a client contract. The purpose of this contract is to define the rates for the different activities for which the client is to be billed. In order to create a contract, let us go to Billing Setup under the Billing tab and click on Contract Create or Edit option. As we can see, here are 4 tabs on the screen. Go to Client under the first tab and select Fashion and Me. Select the location here. The contract is always location based, so even if one client has inventory on 2 warehouse locations, there will be a separate contract for each location. Enter the contract reference number, a reference number that is specified by the client. Validity is the period for which the contract is valid. Now let us go to the second tab, that is Rate Setup. Here we can define the rates for each of the charge codes we want to bill the client for. Let us say we want to bill this client for inbound, shipping, fixed monthly storage, and packaging. To do so, we need to first define the rate for inbound. Select inbound from the charge codes drop-down menu. Once we select inbound, the billing level drop-down gets activated. This billing level will show different options based on the charge code selected. Here we will select quantity, which means that the client will be charged per quantity inbounded. Select each in the UOM. Now we can define the slabs and the rates. Slabs are the different levels for which we want to bill the client. In this example, we are billing the client Rs 5 for the first 1000 units inbounded, Rs 3 for the next 1000, and Rs 2 for any quantity inbounded over 2000 units. Click on Add and this information gets added to the grid. Now select the next charge code for which you want to define the rates. This time we will be choosing shipping. Once we select shipping, we can see 3 options under the billing level. Quantity is the quantity of material shipped by the client. Number of orders, that is the total number of orders processed for the client. Number of deliveries is the number of deliveries processed for the client. Here we will choose the number of orders, select UOM and define a rate of Rs 10 per order. Click on Add to add the data to the grid. Now let us define this for fixed monthly storage. Once we select the fixed monthly storage charge code, the billing level drop-down is disabled. This is because the billing level is applicable only to system charges. Select UOM as each. Let's say we want to charge the client Rs 20,000 per unit of fixed storage per month. Click on Add to add this data to the grid. The third tab, that is User Fields, can be used to define any other additional data. The Upload Document tab can be used to upload a PDF document of the contract. Click on Save. On navigating to the first tab, we will see that the contract status is draft. A draft contract is not a valid contract. Click on Approve to approve the contract. Once a contract has been approved, another contract for the client location combination cannot be created in the same data range. The Approve button is right-based. That is, only a user with sufficient rights can approve a contract. The Terminate button can be used to terminate a contract before its expiry date. With this, we conclude our video on how to create a contract in the system.